It was Valentine's Day 2013, a day that swept Leslie LeBlanc into the worst storm of her life.
I sat down and felt like I was in the middle of a tornado.
The then 47-year-old mother of two was hit with breast cancer.
It was just an emotional weekend. You know, you're trying to hold it together for your kids. You're acting like nothing's a big deal. But at the same time, inside you're like screaming and you want to run away. It's not an option.
40,000 women in the United States die from breast cancer every year.
I wanted it gone.
By being proactive in protecting her health, her breast cancer was caught early.
Both of my sisters have had breast cancer, and I'm in a risk assessment program through UT Southwestern. I was coming every 6 months for alternating mammograms and MRIs, and it was diagnosed in a mammogram.
She had a lumpectomy to remove the cancer. After that, radiation, which for some can stretch on for nearly 2 months. LeBlanc had her treatment decreased to just days, thanks to a recent phase 1 clinical trial that relies on this cyberknife technology. UT Southwestern's Harold C. Simmons Comprehensive Cancer Center is the only site in Texas and one of the few in the world offering the new treatment to early-stage breast cancer patients.
I'm a dental hygienist. I work full-time, so I wanted to be there for my patients and take as little time away from them as possible.
We wanted to allow this treatment to be more convenient for patients because cancer is never convenient.
Radiation oncologist Dr. Asal Rahimi knows this not just from professional experiences, but personal ones too.
I actually lost my mother at the age of 14 to breast cancer, so that really mended the path for me to do what I'm doing, and that's why I'm here.
She studied 75 patients over 6 years, from 2010 to 2016. Whereas standard breast cancer treatments are delivered daily to the entire breast area over 3 to 6 weeks, this new treatment was not only non-invasive, but revolutionary.
What stereotactic partial breast irradiation means is that we're actually using image guidance, so we're actually using x-rays during the radiation treatment to monitor the area that we are treating to make sure that we are localizing it and treating the small area appropriately and with good precision. It's 5 days, but it's only once a day, and we usually will do it every other day, and it's usually just an hour of their day.
Not knowing what to expect, the thought of 7 weeks of radiation, going every day, trying to get back to work, being with my family, doing everything I needed to do, the cyberknife option was so much better.
And now LeBlanc is sharing her journey so other women realize there are ways to keep a breast cancer diagnosis from taking over your life. There are other viable treatment options being tested, but you have to take the initiative.
Be checked, have your mammograms. If I would not have had my mammogram and waited another year, this could have been a tragedy instead of a victory.